We are, oh, look at it. I got blue ladders, and I guess it's a very nice day. We're gonna be doing the half round gutters today, so let's get into it. The roosters are happy. Here we are. We have our half round machine, and we're gonna open up the trailer. Opens like so. And we're gonna run some 032 today. 032 black. And some round downspouts. Let's go. Here's the other side of the shop. I think it's a shop or a garage, something like that. So we're gonna get some gutters installed. Here we go. Very beautiful 032 heavy duty gutter. Here's the gutter. We have internal, external hangers. So it's gonna be really premium, heavy duty. We kind of doubled up on the hangers. Very nice. 60 feet here. So there's the gutter. We have internal and we have external hangers. I gotta come closer. It blends in. There we go. External hangers. Very nice. Water testing now. We're gonna put a little bit of water and see if it comes out. It will, it should. There we go, we got some water flowing. Oh, and the gutter, we need to bolt the gutter. Can we bolt the gutter? It looks like it's loose. There we go, we don't wanna lose all the water. Let's get it bolted. We are installing our second gutter, and we're actually gonna be doing this shop over here. They currently have 5K. We'll swap that out to the half round. It's gonna be beautiful. Here's the old gutters here. They are pretty clogged. And I'll show you the roof. In some spots it's super short. This side installed. We got the downspouts. We are putting some paint on here because the old gutters were 5K. We're gonna upgrade to the half round, so we gotta stick with the brush. Works really good. We have internals, externals. This one's 70 feet gutter. It's almost ready to be installed. We're gonna water test this gutter as well, because this one had a little bit of water. And then right in here, we'll have to add some flashing. It's a little bit short. Water is almost here. I like it, very nice. We have our outlet right here. And is it gonna make it? Is it gonna make it? Once I bolt this down, it will. I think I like it. So once this gets wet right here, it will make it to the outlet. Because I don't want to keep lowering the gutter. It's moving. Yeah, perfect. A little bit more. We're gonna wait and we're gonna see. We have really good results. There's some more water coming. There we go. I like it. Installed some flashing where the roof was short. Water is draining really good. I can also get it to drain a little bit better if I tap it with a hammer. And there we go. Maximum beautiful. This definitely looks so clean, so nice. Very good choice. We're gonna be hopping over the fence right here and hang this side as well. We have this gutter up. We're just waiting for a bucket of water. Test it out. We're doing downspouts now. That's very nice. And 2 more downspouts to go. This is where we started, finishing up our last downspout. We already finished this back side here. I'll show you. Oh, we did that one as well. And this side's done. It's amazing. There's the finished product. Well done. That was a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you next time.